Hello and welcome back to another blog, and today we will be continuing learning how to divide numbers easily, efficiently, and effectively. In the last video that I uploaded, we learned how to divide numbers using standard method, and this is the standard one. Standard. Okay. Okay. Let me solve this to you, the standard one, the most difficult one. The most difficult and confusing method of dividing numbers. So 9 divided by 8 is equals to 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Okay. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down 9. And 19 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Cancel out. 9 minus 6 is 3. Since there is no more here, we will be putting that and that here. So we bring down 0 because there is no more additional number here. Okay, how many 8 we can get from 30? So it is 3 times 8 is 24. 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. So again, bring down 0 because there's no more number here. 60. And how many 8 we can get from 60? Okay, 7 times 8 is 56. 56. I'm afraid that we're losing space here, but anyhow, I will be showing you the fastest way of dividing number afterwards. So 660 minus 56 is 4. Again, bring down 0. And how many 8 we can get from 40? That is 5. Because 5 times 8 is 40. Now, 40 minus 40 is 0. The moment you get 0 dividend, it means that you already get the final answer. So 12.375. Okay? Imagine how difficult it is, how confusing it is, how time consuming it is, and it eats a lot of space. Okay, now let me show you how to get the advanced method. Okay, just hang on a second. I will just replace my marker. Okay, here 8 to 99. Okay, 9 divided by 8, how many 8 we can get from 9? 1. So 1 times 8 is 8. You have to hold that 8 in your mind, and you have to minus the 8 from 9. Okay, 9 minus 8 equals to 1. So this will read as 19. Okay, so you have to think how many 8 you can get from 19. 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Right? 16. Okay, 16. You have to minus the 16 from 19. So 19 minus 16 is 3. Since there's no more number here, all you have to do is put that here, and this will read as 30 because there's 0, nothing here. So how many 30 you can get from? How many 8 you can get from 30? Okay, 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So hold that 24 in your mind and minus that 24 from 30. So how many you can get? 6. 30 minus 24 is equal to 6. So that will read as 60 because there's no more number here. So hold at 60. So how many 8 you can get from 60? 7. Because 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, 56 minus 60 minus 56 is 4. It will read as 40. So how many 8 you can get from 40? So have to think 5. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. The moment you get 0 in dividend, that means that your answer is correct. So this is your answer. This is much more easier than the standard method of dividing number, because this is very time consuming and eat a lot of space and it's confusing. Unlike this one. Okay, so that's it for now, and we will be continuing learning how to divide numbers, and I'll give you more example. And if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. Do so, and thank you and goodbye. Okay, 2 divided by 5 and 5. Okay, how many 2 you can get from 8? Of course, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, 8 minus 8 is 0, so you have to put that 0 here. So this will read as 5. Okay, how many 2 you can get from 5? 2. 2 times 2, 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. It's read as 15. Okay, so this is your dividend now, 15. How many 2 you can get from 15? Of course, 7. Okay, 7 times 2 is 14. 15 minus 14 is equals to 1. So since there's no more number here, this would read as 10. Put point there. So how many 2 you can get from 10? 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. The moment you get 0 dividend, that means that you have already gotten the correct answer. Okay, that's easy it is. So all you have to do is just watch this video again and again so that you can get a full understanding how to divide numbers easily, effectively, and efficiently. Once you get this technique, it will automatically goes out from your mind. Okay, so let me give you another example. Okay, a small one. 5 divide 9. How many 5 you can get from this number 9? Of course, 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Hold that 5 in your mind and minus that 5 from 9. So 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. Since there's no more number here, all I have to do is put here and point and add 0. Point also here. Okay, how many 5 you can get from 40? Okay, 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, hold that 40 in your mind. It minus that 40 from 40. So 40 minus 40 is 0. The moment you get 0 dividend, that means that you already gotten the correct answer. 5 divided by 792. Okay, how many 5 you can get from 7? 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Minus 5 minus 7. 7 minus 5 rather is 2. So that is 29. Okay. So how many 5 you can get from 29? It 5 times 5 is 25. Sorry, 5 plus 5, 25. So you have to minus the 25 from 29. So 29 minus 25 is 4. This will write as 42. Okay, now how many 5 you can get from 42? Of course, 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 8 is 40. So since there's no more number here, you have to put that here and point here. So you have a remaining 2. So this will write as 20. So how many 5 you can get from 20? Of course it's 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Okay, the moment you get 0 dividend, that means that you already got the answer.